Reporting is essential for understanding your business and tracking performance. Quickvee makes it simple to access the insights you need. In this tutorial, we'll be focusing on refunds reports. Your refunds report gives you visibility into return transactions and refunded amounts. By monitoring refund activity, you can identify patterns, ensure accountability, and maintain financial accuracy across your business. Starting off, head to the Quickvee dashboard. Then from the menu on the left-hand side, tap on Reporting, then Refunds. Here you'll find the Refunds section of Reporting. At the top of the page, you can choose to filter refunds by order or by item. Refunds by order. When viewing refunds by order, you can filter by date range to review refunds for a specific day, week, month, or custom time period. You can also filter by refund reason and by employee, allowing you to narrow down activity and review specific refund trends. The table at the bottom will display all refund data based on your selected filters. Here, you'll be able to see order ID, date of the order, employee who completed the sale, the refund reason, LP loyalty points, SC store credit, and NCA, net cash adjustment. This gives you a clear overview of refund activity at the transaction level. Refunds by item. If you switch to refunds by item, you can again filter by a specific date range. You'll also be able to filter by item category, item brand, and item tags. The table below will update based on your selected filters and display the following: item name, employee who sold the item, date the item was sold, refund reason, quantity refunded, and total refunded amounts. This view allows you to identify trends tied to specific products, categories, or staff activity. And there you have it. By reviewing both order level and item level refunds, you gain deeper insight into why returns are happening and where adjustments may be needed. You now have the insights you need to manage your business confidently with Quickvee reporting. Quickvee, management made easy.